In this video, I'm going to focus on Evernote, which is a digital note-taking service. This is for assignment 4 under your Knowledge Constructor section on digital note-taking. So the first thing the assignment does is asks you to go to Evernote and to sign up for an account. Real simple to do. You click sign up and go to continue with Google, and you should, your username should pop up like usual. And I've already signed up, so when I click on this, it's just going to go ahead and take me to my page. So when you click on your name, it might take a few minutes, so just let it circle around for a few minutes, and you'll get a page created as well. There's lots of little things over here to use, and I'll show you how to use those in a minute. But right now, let's just make sure you install that. And then the second thing that you're going to install is the Evernote Web Clipper extension. And there's a link to this. You just go to Add to Chrome like we have for our other extensions. And yes, go ahead and add it. It's going to show up here. It's this little green elephant, and there's a video that you might want to watch. It shows you how the web clipper works. This is going to be real helpful if you find something on a web page that you would like to save for later. So let's try it out just to show you how this works. I'm going to go with the assassination of Abraham Lincoln. And let's say that I'm scrolling through looking at images, and I decide that there's a few images here I want to keep. So I'm going to go to my Evernote web clipper, and it's going to, let's see, clip format. I'm going to use a screenshot. Okay, and so I just choose, let's say that I want to save these pictures for later. Do my screenshot, and then I save the clip. So I come back over to Evernote, and let's refresh it, and let's see if it saved it somewhere for me. There it is, the assassination of Abraham Lincoln. So it saved the picture for me. Over here to the side, and that's just one of the things that this web clipper is going to do for you. You really do need to watch this video and see the different things it can do for you. So we come back over to Evernote, and over here on the side we've got, it says shortcuts. Click the ... icon in the top right, which is right here, corner of the note or notebook, to add it here. We don't really have anything here right now, so I'm not going to add any shortcuts. Shortcuts are good if you start to have a lot of things that you add over here, and there's some that you really just want to stand out. All notes, so any notes that you take will show up here, and you just click this to add a new note, and we'll say so you can just get all of your notes, anything that's in your head, just type it out here, and you can put a title on it, my thoughts. Here. Okay, and then over here we've got notebooks as well. Notebooks are good. This is if you want to take in each class you do. So let's say there's project 1, and let's call project 1, we come up with these little dots. This might be, let's see, rename your notebook. Let's say that this is for virtual orientation. Continue. There. So now I have a notebook for virtual orientation, and you can add notes in this. Add a note in there into the virtual orientation. So what I want you to do is take time just to play around with all of these. Just start clicking on things, start adding things, start clipping things. Just start playing with this. You're not going to break the internet. Just start playing with all of this stuff and kind of find out how it works. Use this to start saving something, bookmark some pages that have to do with the history topic that you want to know more about. We can delve into this a little bit more later, but what I really want you to do is just start playing with this, start saving some things, and we will talk a little bit more about this later.